All right, the last standard I'd like to talk to you about is standard number 46 under assessment and feedback. It says that criteria for the assessment of a graded assignment are clearly articulated. So do you have rubrics and examples of awesome work? So in my college mathematics class, not only do I have details in my syllabus about how things are going to be graded and what the expectation is, I also like to post pages and videos with information throughout my Canvas course. So I not only put this information in the announcements, but I also double up and I put it throughout the module. So you can see in one of my unit modules, one of the first pages they'll click on is a quick introduction and instruction video. That quick video talks about how they're going to work through Canvas in that module. It talks about what we're going to learn in that unit, and it talks about the different expectations for some of the assignments in that unit. The next thing that I also make sure that I do in each module so that students don't ever say that they missed anything is I've created some videos that talk about my expectations of how they're going to show work. So part of the grade in my class is students participating in the video lessons and taking notes and summative assessments at the end. So one of the next pages that they must watch the video and mark as done before they're allowed to move on is a clear, laid out expectation of what I expect them to show on test day. My students are expected to show all of their work on every single problem in order to not only get partial credit, but to get full credit. So I walk through in this video how they're going to do that. I show them examples of work that is unsatisfactory, and I also show them examples of student work that is perfect. So hopefully they have a good idea of what I expect. The other thing that they're getting points for is, like I said, doing notes and video lessons with us. So part of their job is to take thorough, awesome, full, complete notes. So the next thing I have in my modules is a video explaining how you're going to take notes and actively participate while you're at home in this class as we're doing these video lessons. I talk to them about what their work should look like and how it should mimic my work in order to get full credit. In addition to that, when they submit their completed notes, in that assignment there is a rubric. So let me find my completed notes assignment. So not only do I have some things, checkmark things that they have to do, requirements that they have to meet before uploading their notes, I also have a very simple rubric. For me, your notes are perfect. You've submitted your assignment on time, you've included all the pages scanned clearly in order in one document, and you have all the work shown for every single problem that we've discussed in the video. If you have all of that, you get your full 100 points. If you don't have all of that, you only get half credit. You get 50 points. So one or more of those requirements is missing. If you have less than that, if it's incomplete, if it's late, you get 0 points. It's either all, half, or nothing. So they know what to expect right away at the beginning of the semester before they start working on the class, so they know that they need to make sure that they meet all of these different requirements and expectations. So, number 46, criteria for the assessment of a graded assignment is clearly articulated. Have you made sure that as your students are working through your class and you're grading their assignments, that they know what to expect before the assignment is graded? Have you given them examples? Do you have a rubric? If you were a student, would you know what to expect?